riding with them to the airport. And I'd set it up so my buddy would fly down about the time that the college was going to rent the car.
Oh, yeah.
East Coast. So we're supposed to fly like at 5 o'clock.
Well, I might get it.
And we had to check out of the hotel that we were in. So we let the kids go to the pool. They had like a pool and a water slide. So we let them do that. We're sitting up there in the little cafe that overlooks the pool. The head coach comes up and goes, we had like no internet. The head coach apparently went to the office and he comes back in and says,
Thank you.
check this out. The light had been changed. It was now 20:01 as we were sitting there.